Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm going to be doing something a little bit differently today. I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of surprise boxes and bags. This is something new I'm going to be doing on my channel. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. I have some new Shopkins, which are the wild style ones. I have some new Moji, if that's how you say it. Ones. I got all of these at Toys R Us. I also have some kawaii squeezies, and I have some new emoji Disneys as well. So I'm going to unbox a couple of these today. I will leave the link in the description box below for part 2 and part 3. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm first going to start off with the new Shopkins Wild Style. These are really cute. Apparently they come with now little pet pods. So those are what the pet pods look like. There are 12 of them, and there also is a limited edition unicorn one as well. So as you can see, it comes in a little pod and 2 Shopkins come inside, and this is series 9. Got my little handy dandy cow scissors. So first one. So here is our little checklist. Oh, it's cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like there is... So first up is the Heart and Seekers Tribe. Then we have the Rainbow Dessert Tribe. Then we have the Glitzy Dancers Tribe. The Color Change Cuties Tribe, which I'm super excited about those ones. Then we have the Flocked and Fluffy Tribe. And last but not least is the Glamour Gems Tribe. Oh my goodness, there's more on the back. So then we have the Shimmery Unicorn Tribe. Then we have Frozen Flakes Tribe. Dairy Wrappers Tribe. Glazed Fruit Tribe. Sweet and Squishy Tribe. So it looks like we have common, rare, ultra rare, as well as special edition, limited edition, returning Shopkins, and precious ones. So let's get into it. There is no rip on the bag. Oh my goodness. So that is the first one we have there. On here, it doesn't really tell you the pods, so I'm not too sure what their names are or anything, but it's this cute, looks like a little bunny with little hearts and paws on the side, ears, could be a mouse, and hearts and paws again. So 2 more blind bags inside. Oh my goodness, we got a glitter one. So that's who we have first. Oh my goodness, look at the glitter. It's like a 2-toned pink. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. So it looks like from the Glitter Dancer Tribe, we have Little Bo Bella, and she is a common. Next up. Oh, this little guy from, looks like the Rainbow Tribe, I'm gonna assume. This is Lottie Lollyjar, and she is a rare. That's super cute for our first 2, so I'm just gonna pop them in there and put them off to the side. I'm now gonna open up the new Disney emojis. These are series 1. I did get a box. There were quite a few of them. It looks like they have gold and squishy limited edition ones. There's over 100 to collect. There's Sully, Mickey, and Ariel. And on the back here, it looks like there's 4 expressions to collect, as well as I said, the gold and the squishy ones. I think I got about 7 or 8 of these guys. They were on sale, which is a super great steal. And these are series 1s, like I said, and they do come with 2 in a pack. So let's open up the first one. Oh, that's super cute. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it says right there Disney emoji, and it's in like these little, it's in like a little comic word blurb, you know what I'm talking about? And it has the little thing there. Oh, okay, so they are not in blind bags. You can see right away who you got. We do have a gold guy, which is making me really excited. What's cool is they actually come with scenes on the background that you can make. It does look like it is interchangeable, so there is a different scene on the back side. There is a castle on that side, and then the castle at night, so you can change what scene you want on the inside, which I think is really cool. Here's our checklist. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So there's the classics. So you got Minnie, Mickey, Simba, Timon, Pumbaa, Kermit, Cheshire Cat. Ooh, I love Cheshire. Moana's in here. My daughter will love that. And Tinkerbell. Then you have Princess and Princesses. There's like Aladdin and Jasmine. Then you also have some Frozen characters, as well as Pixar, which is probably going to be my favorite category. Wally, Buzz Lightyear, Hank, Dory. Oh my god, that's so cute. And then you also get some props. So what's cool about these is you can actually stack them on top of each other and create like a little scene. So first up, we actually have a gold beast, which is really cool. So on the checklist here, he's right there and he has a star, which means the stars are special. So our first one is a special, which is really cute. I think this is, which is really adorable. Super excited to have the first one. And then there's also little dots in here that you can stick them on. Oh. That you can stick them on for their little scene. Oh, and they are open on the bottom so they can just fall right out. And then next up is the alien, and so on the checklist, this is what they were talking about, how they have 4 different expressions. So our guy is the smiling one, which is the first guy right here. He has a purple circle, which means it's goals. So that is super cute. So that's our first little 2 Disney emojis. I think that is super adorable how we got the gold one right away. Next up, I'm gonna do one of these emojis. It says series smiley face, so I'm assuming it's series 1. Don't necessarily know. There's 95 to collect and trade. This is the packaging. It does come in different color packagings. There also was a yellow one, but I couldn't reach it in the display. It's the displays like the LOL dolls where they fall down and you grab whatever one you can. There are 2 in a pack, so let's open these bad guys up. Oh my gosh. So they are not in blind bags either. You can kind of see who we got. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I'm just gonna get them out of the plastic. So those are the first 2 squishies we got. They are super squishy. They feel like almost jello, kind of like the jello consistency. This is so adorable. I have no idea what this guy is. This looks like a little bear lying down or something. Oh my goodness, look at all these guys to collect. So we have Adventure Seekers, Couch Potatoes, look like they're all lying down, Daydreamers, Sunbathers, Happy Campers, and Party Animals. So it looks like there are, most of them are common, but they do have a rare and an ultra rare, which is a diamond or a star. So let's find out who we got. We got someone lying down. Okay, so he's right here, which is this guy right here. He has a star, so he's actually rare. That's really cool how we got a rare guy on our first try. And then this guy is actually this guy right there, and he's an ultra rare. So we got 2 rares in our first little box. I'm gonna do another Shopkins one. I'm hoping for the unicorn. I think that would be really cool. if I can open this guy. Again, our checklist. Oh my goodness! Look how adorable this little kitty is. Oh my gosh. She has music notes and her paw print on both sides of her and her little tail. She's a little bow in her hair. Oh my god, that is so cute. Super adorable little blue lady girl. Let's find out who this is. So this is Carmen La Creme, and it's from the Dairy Wrappers tribe, and she's actually ultra rare. So next up, this one's bigger. Oh my goodness. She is super cute. I love the little teal bow in her hair. And it looks like almost little popcorn or something. This is so cute. So it looks like this is Honey Heart, and she is common. She is part of the Heart and Seekers tribe. Those guys are super cute, and I'm just gonna put them back in their little pot. This is series 3. A bunch of these were actually open in my Toys R Us, so I picked 2 that weren't open. So I've never experienced the series. These are all the ones that you can get. There are 12 available to collect, so it is kind of a shorter series. I am hoping for the giraffe, the panda, the elephant, or maybe the penguin. So let's... Oh, that didn't work. I'm just gonna open the bottom. Oh, so these aren't in blind bags either. You definitely can tell right away what you got. Oh, I got the monkey. So it's in a little keychain, which I think is really cute and adorable. Those are so cute. He is squishy. He is a little bit harder to squish, and he does rise really, really quickly. I think this would be great to stick on your backpack or pencil case or something and just play with him. Super cute. Next up, I'm going to open up a Tsum Tsum. This is series 3, so this is an older one, but they were on clearance, so I don't really have many of these. So I decided, why not grab a couple? There are 12 of them to collect in this series. I'm excited. I'm hoping for either Pluto, Genie, and maybe Tinkerbell. Let's see who we got. Oh, I got the White Rabbit. I've noticed with the newer Tsum Tsums, they have so many things to put together. So that's why I kind of like the older ones, because they don't have so many objects. So the White Rabbit came with these 3 pieces. Pretty easy to put together. It's a little white rabbit there with the clock, a little jewel, and then the little rabbit himself. He's super cute. Up next, I'm going to do this little troll bag. This is series 2. Doesn't really tell you how many there are to collect. It did on the box. But I'm not too sure. I think there was maybe 8 of them. So it does come with a little checklist. Looks like there's 12 of them to collect. And, oh, I got this one. Super cute. She has like little circles in her hair and little green streaks and stuff. This girl right here, she has like little leaves and stuff in her hair. Really cute. Love her little outfit and her little teal nose. I will leave the link in the description box below for the next 2 parts. That one will be doing some LOLs, more trolls, a Pikmi pop, some more Shopkins. So who did we get? First off, there's our sun, or the rainbow. I like the rainbow. I'm gonna keep that one. Another checklist. Oh my goodness. Look who we got, guys. So we got Sully and a Jasmine. Jasmine has the heart eyes. So she is a bestie. And Sully is smiling. So he has a gold star, which is the essentials, which is the classic one. So I'm gonna put them in their little... I like how both of them are like really happy. That's why I think I like the rainbow one. And that's them there. So let's connect them to our other guys. Do they just, I think they just sit on top of each other. They don't connect, they actually just, the little lines fit in each other, so they sit together. They just don't lock, so just be careful about that. But those are super cute. I like this series. One more wild style Shopkins. So let's get our little checklist out. I'm still looking for that unicorn one. So, checklist. Who do we have? Oh my goodness. Is this a kitty again? She has cotton candy. But those don't look like kitty paw prints, you know? It's a sheep. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's a sheep. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness, cotton candy. And her little tail. Super cute. Two little guys. First up. Yay! We have another glitter one. Looks like this is a tape cassette. I had her upside down the whole time. That is so cute. So, she is a glitter one. So it looks like we have Betty Cassette, and she is from the Glitzy Dancers tribe, and she is common. We got another glitter one. That's her right there. Has some roses. With a little bow. So she is also from the Glitzy Dancers tribe, and she is petite petals, and she is also common. I love these glitter ones. So again, I'm gonna put them in their little pet pod. Add them to the collection. That was everything in our first round of unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!